Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Google Drive with Monday.com. This is pretty simple but very useful if you want to increase the productivity within this app. So now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do is to click on this icon right here on apps, and then here in the search bar please write Google Drive. And now what you have to do is just to click on Google Drive and then click on add to boards. Now you can choose a workspace and choose a board. Okay, and now click on add, and that's about it to integrate Google Drive and files to your item. As you can see here, you can save your files, and it's very helpful. And when you can attach directly from Google Drive, you can attach file directly to Google Drive, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.